Good evening, students. Today we are discussing about previous eapcet questions from 2025, and these questions belongs to solution topic. So now coming to the first question. What is the approximate molality of 10% weight by weight aqueous glucose solution? So they are asking molality. Molality is represented by small m. So molality they are asking, and weight by weight percentage, weight by weight percentage the given 10% is the given, and glucose solution. So what is the solution? That is the glucose solution. So this is the question. So one of the solution is that is the glucose solution, and glucose solution, it's a solution weight by weight percentage is 10% they given, and what is the molality they are asking. So this is the question. So now coming to glucose solution. What is the glucose solution? What is the meaning? Means that is the glucose plus water. Glucose plus water. This is the glucose solution. So here glucose act as a solute and water is act as a solvent. So solute plus solvent is equal to solution. So glucose solution means glucose plus water. So glucose is in the small quantity, so it is a solute, and water is in the larger quantity, then it is a solvent. So solute plus solvent equal to solution. So this one. So by based on weight by weight percent, how much they given? 10% they given. So what is the weight by weight percentage? Weight by weight percent is equal to weight of solute by weight of solute by weight of solution into 100. So this is the weight by weight percent formula. Weight of solute by weight of solution into 100, that is the weight by weight formula. But how much they given? 10% they given. So this value is 10. So how you will get the 10? If you put weight of solute is the 10 and weight of solution is the 100, this is 100, then 100 will be cancelled, then remaining 10 will become. So what you can say, weight by weight percent is 10, then what you can say means 10 grams of solute present in the 100 grams of solution. 10 grams of solute is present in the 100 grams of solution, then you will get the weight by weight 10% you will get. So based on this we can write. So what is the weight of solute? Weight of solute equal to how much? That is 10 grams. Next, weight of solution equal to, that is 100 grams. Now weight of solvent equal to weight of solvent. How can you calculate? Weight of solution minus solute. Why? Because solution equal to solute plus solvent. So weight of solvent equal to what you can write? Weight of solution minus weight of solute we can write. So weight of solution 100 minus weight of solute 10. So totally this is the 90 grams. So weight of solvent is the 90 grams. So this information we know. Now what they're asking? Mass molality they're asking. Molality. What is the molality formula? Weight by weight of solute by gram molecular weight of solute into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. So this is the molality formula. Molality equal to weight of solute by gram molecular weight of solute into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. Now weight of solute how much? That is the 10 grams. Gram molecular weight of solute. Here what is the solute? Glucose. So glucose, what is the formula? C6H12O6. Then what is the molecular weight of glucose? Totally 6 carbons are there. So 6 carbons means each carbon is the 12, and 12 6 are 72 plus 1 each hydrogen 1. So totally 12 hydrogens are there. So that is the 12, and each oxygen weight is 16, and 16 6 are 96. So this is totally you will get the 180. So this is the gram molecular weight of glucose. So gram molecular weight of solute how much? That is the 180 into 1000 by weight of solvent. Weight of solvent, how much we got? 90 grams. So this one we have to substitute. So this 0, total 2 zeros will be cancelled. Then 100 by, this is 18 nines are 162. This is 100. So 100 by 162. Yeah, 100 by 162 if you're doing, then you will get the nearly 0.62. This is the 0.62 molality. Molality we are represented by small m. So this is the answer for this. They given the weight by weight percentage they given, and what is the molality they are asking. So molality formula, weight of solute by gram molecular weight of solute into 1000 by weight of solvent. We don't know weight of solvent, but we know the by based on the 10% weight by weight percent, we can calculate what you can calculate weight of solute, weight of solution. Why? Because 10% means here 10, here 100, then 100 into 100 will be cancelled, then 10 will become. So weight of solute is the 10 grams, weight of solution is the 100 grams. Into 100 if you done, you will get the weight by weight percent 10 grams. So what you can write, weight of solute is the 10 grams. So weight by weight percent 10% they given means, what is the meaning means 10 grams of solute dissolved in the 100 grams of the solution. That is the meaning. So weight of solute 10 grams, weight of solution is the 100 grams, and weight of solvent. Solvent, how can you calculate? Solution minus solute if you done, you will get the solvent weight. So that solvent weight we have to substitute here, then total calculation if you done, you will get the 0.62 molality we will get. So this is the answer for this. Thank you. To next question. 100 ml of m by 10 CaNO3 twice and 200 ml of m by 10 KNO3 solutions are mixed. What is the normality of resultant solution with respect to NO3 minus? So this is the question. So now coming to the given information. Here CaNO3 twice calcium nitrate, CaNO3 twice is added to the KNO3, Here this volume, this is take it as a 1. So V1 how much they given? 100 ml, means first solution volume is the 100 ml they given, and molarity is, that is 1 by 10 they given. So that is the molarity. And coming to this is, take it as a M1, means this is the first solution, and this is the KNO3 volume. This is the V2, how much they given? 200 ml. And next one, molarity M2 equal to, this is also 1 by 10 they given. So now what they are asking, when for the CaNO3 twice, when they are adding the KNO3, what is the resultant solution after adding KNO3? What is the resultant solution normality they are asking. So final normality equal to formula, final normality or molarity. Normality means in terms of normality will come, and molarity, that is in terms of molarity only will come. So normality equal to final normality equal to, after adding the KNO3, means 2 or 3 solutions are mixed, then final normality equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 by V1 plus V2. So this is the formula of final normal. Now N1 we don't know, but M1 we know. So what is the relationship between molarity and normality? Normality equal to molarity into n factor. So what is the n factor here? N factor means, that is the n factor for acid, we have to calculate the base or basicity, and for the base means acidity we have to calculate, and if they given the salt, then n factor for the salt is the charge on the cation or anion. Now here CaNO3 twice and KNO3 is a salts, so that's why here charge on the cation or anion. Here how it will be dissociate, this one Ca plus 2 and 2NO3 minus. So here what is the charge on cation? That is the 2. What is the charge on anion? 1 only, but here how many anions are there? 2 anions, so that's why that is the charge on the anion is also 2 only. Here cation charge is always equal to anion charge. So cation how much? 2. Anion is also, actually here for 1 ion 1 only, but 2 ions are there, so that's why there is the 2 charge. So n factor for this how much? No, that is the 2. Why? Because it is a salt. N factor for the salt is equal to charge on the cation or anion. So charge on the cation or anion, how much? 2. So here normality N1 equal to, what is the formula? Normality equal to molarity into, here N1 equal to M1 into N factor. So M1 how much they given? 1 by 10. N factor for CaNO3 twice, that is the 2. So then it is a 2 by 10. 2 by 10 means that is how much? This is the 0.2. So this is the normality one. Next, second solution normality calculate. N2 equal to formula M2 into N factor. So M2 how much they given? 1 by 10. And next one N factor. Here this is KNO3 is also salt only. So how it is dissociated? K plus and NO3 minus. So what is the charge on the cation? 1. And what is the charge on the anion? 1 only. So N factor is 1 only. So then 1 by 10 means 0.1. This is, so N2. So now substitute N1 and N2 and V1 and V2 also we know. So substitute in this. So N1 value how much? This is the 0.2 into V1 100 ml plus N2 value is the 0.1 into V2 value is the 200 by V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2 100 plus 200, that is the 300. So now this is 0.2 into 100, point after 1 place, so 1 0 will be cancelled. Then this is the 20 plus this is 0.1 into 200, this is also 20 by 300. So now 20 plus 20, that is the 40 by 300. So 0 0 cancel, then 4 by 30. So this is a 0 point after 1 and 30 and 10 nearly 3. So 0.13, this is the normality. So final normality equal to 0.13. They given first solution volume, they given molarity, they given second solution volume, they given molarity, they given. Now final normality they are asking. So normality, final normality, what is the formula? N1 V1 plus N2 V2 by V1 plus V2. We know molarity, but we don't know the normality. So that's why this molarity we have to convert it into the normality terms. So normality and molarity relation, this is the normality equal to molarity into N factor. So first of all calculate CaNO3 normality. Ca means that is the first solution, N1 equal to M1 into N factor. M1 how much? That is the 1 by 10. N factor, this is the salt. So salt to N factor, charge on the cation or anion. So here charge on the cation is the 2. So totally N1 is the 0.2 will come and N2 same like that. For KNO3 if you are calculated, you will get the 0.1. So N1 N2 and V1 V2 and totally if you substituted, you will get the 0.13 normality. Thank you. 248 grams of ethylene glycol is added to 200 grams of water to prepare antifreeze. What is the molality of the resultant solution? So this is the question. So now what they given? 248 grams of ethylene glycol. So ethylene glycol weight they given. So weight of 248 grams. Grams means that is the weight. So weight of ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol, how much they given? 248 grams they given. 248 grams they given. Next, after that they given is added to 200 grams of water. So weight of water also they given. Weight of water, how much they given? 200 grams they given. Next, after that what they given? What is the molality of the resultant solution? So molality they are asking. So what is the molality? So this is the question from that. So weight of ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol formula also they given. What is the formula? That is the C2H6O2. C2H6O2. This is the ethylene glycol formula. Now what is the molality they are asking? So what is the molality formula? Molality equal to weight of solute by weight of gram molecular weight of solute into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. So this is the molality formula. Now Weight of solute. Here ethylene glycol is added to water. So here ethylene glycol is act as a solute and water is act as a solvent. So this is the solute and solvent. Why? Because ethylene glycol is added to water. So now weight of solute, how much they given? 248 grams they given. And gram molecular weight of solute. Here calculate 2 carbons, that is each carbon 12, so 2 carbons 24 plus each hydrogen 1 and 6 hydrogen 6 and 2 oxygens, that is each oxygen 16 and 16 2s are 32. So totally this is 62 gram. So totally 62. So 248 by, this is gram molecular weight of solute, how much? That is the 62 grams into 1000 by, here weight of solvent. Here what is the weight? Weight of water. Water is act as a solvent. So weight of water, how much they given? 200. So this one. So 200 ones, so 200 fives and 62 ones, so 62 fours. Then 4 in 4 fives are 20. So 20 molality. So this is the answer for this. They given weight of solute they given, weight of solvent they given. What is the molality they are asking? So what is the molality formula? Weight of solute by gram molecular weight of solute into 1000 by weight of solvent. So here weight of solute we know that is the 248. Gram molecular weight of solute, that they given the formula also, that is the ethylene glycol C2H6O2. So here totally this weight will be 62. So 62 into 1000 by weight of solvent is the 200.